Yo, what's up YouTube guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on TikTok 100% for free. I've seen a bunch of little different videos out there and they don't really work. So I'm going to show you guys the most legit way, that way you guys can get TikTok dark mode on your phone 100% for free. It'll last forever no matter what kind of update is out, whatever the case is. But I do want to mention I am going to be doing a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro giveaway. You see right there, MacBook Pro. Best Buy logo, all of that. If you guys want to win, all you gotta do is like, subscribe, and then comment down below why you want it, what you're gonna be using for. I'm gonna pick one lucky winner in my next video to win. But let's go right into the tutorial, that way you can get dark mode on TikTok. Alright guys, to get dark mode on TikTok on Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter what device you're on, even a tablet would work. You want to go to this website. The website I'm about to show you is very good for a bunch of like game hacks, like free Spotify, free Apple Music, stuff like that. But the website is ODEXGEN, like that, odexgen.com. Very important guys. You type in /dark, so odexgen.com/dark. You gotta type it in up here, not in Google. Type it in up here in this URL bar and press go. So once you're on this page, you're gonna see TikTok, enable dark mode forever on TikTok, and then you're gonna type in your TikTok username right here. This is just so they can authenticate you. And then you're going to type in, are you on Apple or Android? Very important guys, you turn this, you put the right option on. Essentially I'm on Apple. And then you want to select if you want dark mode on or off. So obviously you want it on, but if you want it off later, you come back to this page, you select off. But right now we want it on, and you're going to tap continue. And pretty much what's going to do, this generator will actually go to TikTok API systems, and it'll generate the dark mode option for you. So just give it a second. I'm going to be right back. We're going to pause the video. That way this video isn't an hour long. Alright, once you get to this screen guys, this is the very good screen. If you got to this page, it's very good. It says success, your dark mode is ready to be turned on. Please make sure you're a human, not a bot. Please pass your human verification so we can turn on dark mode for your device. This is 100% normal guys. I know a lot of you have seen a bunch of things like this that don't work, but this one actually works. I've tested it myself. You're gonna tap verify now. Very easy guys. Follow these instructions and I promise you get dark mode on your actual device right now. So all you need to do is install apps below and interact with them for 30 seconds each to verify your session. So you see right here, so it shows 3 apps. It says completing 3 more offers to unlock this page, checking completion. So right here, after we do enable dark mode on your device, once the bottom says completed, your dark mode will be enabled. So very simple guys. You tap on one of these apps, tap to install, give it a second. I've already downloaded the app, so I'm just going to open it for example purposes. And pretty much all you want to do is tap around in the app, and that's it. You're just going to tap around, do whatever you got to do for 30 seconds. Then afterwards, you come back to this page, as instructed for 30 seconds. You come back to this page, download a second app, tap to install. I already have the app because I've done this before, like I said, guys. And you tap around for 30 seconds. You don't have to do anything, just tap around. Then you come back to this page, and you do the third app, free. Tap to install. Very easy guys, it's gonna take 2 minutes. You see they're 4.6 ratings. This one I didn't do because I didn't have this one, but there's just free apps. You download it like that. I'm gonna type in my password 1 second. You download the app, you wait for it to download, give it a second. It downloads, you open the app, and then you go back to the main screen. As simple as that. You see this is downloading. They're not viruses or anything, they're high rating apps. You open the app, you tap around for 30 seconds. Now after you've done 3 apps, I've already done this so it's not going to work again. After you've done 3 apps, this will say completed. Then all you have to do is restart your phone and you have dark mode on your TikTok. Awesome. By now you will have dark mode on TikTok if you followed all the steps in this video. If for some reason it doesn't work, just check out my pinned comment down below. I give more details on how to make it work just in case if you need help or whatever the case is. And if you do want to win this MacBook Pro, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and then comment down below why you want it. But I'll see you guys in my next video.